3, go.
Hi, I'm Race, Master Scientist. Today we'll be making a scientific experiment, which is a volcano.
Maybe more baking soda.
Delete that.
Wow. What do you have to say?
It flooded my town. Well, these red and green spots made out of clay. Well, this was some lava that had dried up. The green was trees. Yellow and black was, as you can see, tents with other Indians in. This was a lake, grass. This was a multicolored tent with an Indian too, grass, and then this was an actual ocean.
So what happened when the lava came out? Did it kill everybody?
Yes, no, yes, almost everyone. It killed all of the people that have this yellow stuff, which is made out of baking soda and vinegar.
That's a cool experiment. Thank you very much for sharing with us today.
Thanks. Now that we are finished, have a good day. You should go to YouTube.com. Bye, Race.